Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your channel meets eligibility and has no strikes. This matters because YouTube requires trust signals. Once done, link your Google Merchant Center account and verify your domain so products display correctly. Next, upload a product feed with accurate titles, prices, availability, and GTIN. This ensures the right items appear. Make sure billing and tax settings are complete because missing details often block approvals and delay the shopping rollout. Once the Merchant Center is linked, go to YouTube Studio and apply or enable the shopping tab for your channel. YouTube reviews may take time. After approval, enable product linking for videos, shorts, and live streams so viewers can click to buy. This expands reach. Then map specific feed items to each video and set start and end dates to control promotions. Make sure to preview cards and overlays because visual mismatches reduce click-through. You finish by reviewing live previews on mobile and desktop to ensure product cards and overlays look right. Presentation affects purchases. Once live, actively monitor clicks, conversion rates, and any disapproved items in Merchant Center so you can iterate. If products are disapproved, check feed errors, policy compliance, and product attributes, then resubmit. This step resolves most issues. One troubleshooting tip: if approvals stall, clear cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.